Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. Here at DaringBeefcake I have this Mercedes C-Class 2008. This is C180, and I'm just going to show you how you can change the high beam light on this car. So I've already made a video on how to change the dip beam, which is this one here, but the one here, the high beam that sometimes we flash and we sort of give way, even though it's supposed to use for letting people know that you're there. Anyway, this bulb here is, to change this bulb is a lot easier than this one, because this one has a little clamp in the back, and as I said, I already have a video on that, but I'm gonna show you how to access that one there. And this is sort of in response to somebody that asked me if I know how to change that one. So luckily it is a little bit easier. So if we look at the back here, you will find that cover. Open that cover, and in there is the bulb, and all you have to do with this bulb is pull it out. And there it is. And then you just need to take it out, disconnect it from there. So I don't need to do that because this bulb is actually okay. And this is a H7 bulb. So that's it. And then obviously put it the right way around again with that flat bit up. And then we are going to refit. And this bulb is a matter of pushing it in. It can be a bit fiddly because it's basically going in. Just have to get it in the correct way. There we are. So I don't know if that is incorrectly or not, but okay, and that's it. Yes, it's a bit fiddly, but you just have to make sure it sort of plugs back into the little, there's like 3 little springs on the sides, 3 small springs on the sides, but they're like a little metal spring type of things, and you just have to push the bulb back in. And so it is a fairly easy one to do, really, especially if you're using your 2 hands. So anyway, hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.